month, obviously, we've been talking about Heart Month, but it's also Hot Breakfast Month. We've got Grace Derocha, registered dietitian, diabetes educator, and national spokesperson for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics with us to talk about a heart-healthy hot breakfast that is so simple to make.
Yes. Easy, fun. Also, you can mix it up and make it your own. I went really basic to get people inspired to play with it.
Absolutely.
So Hot Breakfast Month, you know, we debated some eggs.
We thought eggs, a little too expensive. We're gonna go with affordable Hot Breakfast Month.
Yes.
Right?
Oh, yes.
I mean, we all love eggs, but there are other options, and that's the beauty of it, right?
Yeah, the best part about this recipe, I was telling you this earlier, is that you start it at night, and in the morning, it's done.
Could not be easier, because you're all in a rush in the morning, getting everybody out the door and ready and everything else, and this is just spoon it and go.
Yep.
All right.
So this is a slow cooker. I did peanut butter and apple, banana, because I love peanut butter with bananas. I love this is literally how I make up recipes. And I love peanut butter with apples, so I decided to put it all together.
Right.
When you do slow cooker oatmeal, use steel cut oats.
Okay.
Because we're cooking for a longer period of time.
Otherwise, the other ones break down a little bit.
Yeah,
okay.
So then you get mush.
So they're a little smaller, they're a little, they can cook for a while.
So this is about a cup.
Okay.
You can double it, you can triple it. This is 1.5 cups of water.
Okay.
1.5 cups of milk of your choice.
What are you using there?
I think this is almond.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm lactose intolerant.
Well, you know, there's so many options now. Oats on oats, do oat milk, would that be kind of weird?
Maybe.
Maybe, okay.
Peanut butter.
Yes.
And again, you can add more or less peanut butter as you would like. You know, other things that I didn't even dig into, you could add chia seeds, ground flaxseed for more heart-healthy fat. But I love oats. Oats are great for you. They have been research proven to help with a lot of things. 1, lower blood pressure.
Okay. 2,
help improve cholesterol. And 3, even help regulate blood sugar.
Okay.
For a lot of reasons. I'm going to tell you those reasons.
Okay.
1 is that they're high in fiber. We love this fiber conversation.
Yes, fiber.
So a cup cooked has about 4 grams of fiber.
Okay.
Which is a lot. Sorry, so what I'm doing now is just mixing the peanut butter in so it doesn't get clumpy before we add the other ingredients in.
It'll even out too as it cooks, right? A little bit? Yeah.
As it gets warm. So fun facts. So again, good reason to add oatmeal in. The specifics on how this happens, so beta-glucan is a soluble fiber, really only in a few things, and one of them is oatmeal.
Okay.
Soluble fiber, meaning that it helps be a street sweeper of your system, right?
Cutting you out.
Yeah, and it helps keep your gut health fueled, right? Feeds the probiotics. So we love that. And then, I was practicing saying this word. This is antioxidant, evananthramide.
Okay.
Such a pretty word.
Got it, nailed it.
Evananthramide. Try to say that 5 times fast.
I'm not gonna do that.
But it is an antioxidant, really only in oats, and it is proven to actually help open up your blood vessels. So if someone has high blood pressure, if someone is if they work out regularly and trying to get more oxygen, you know, athletes, anyone trying to run that can't, but it helps open your blood vessels to help decrease blood pressure and get more oxygen to all of the cells and muscles and everything in your body, which is pretty cool.
It's pretty much a superfood, right?
Yeah.
You know, is there anything wrong with eating it every day? Could you eat oatmeal every day?
You could. Okay. But I would remind people, right, to get enough fiber, you have to have the water to help flush the system. Okay. Because you could get bloated. Sure. If you're allergic, obviously don't have it. If you have, you know, watching gluten, make sure you find a gluten-free one.
Okay. And then the beauty of this, you can make it your own. Pick whatever you like, you know.
I didn't even peel the apples. You don't have to add that fiber in.
I mean, because it all just cooks down. I mean, it really, if you put it in overnight, it's gonna, and then some cinnamon, okay.
Can't go wrong with cinnamon.
And then you didn't put any other sweeteners in there.
There's supposed to be brown sugar.
Okay.
Or honey.
Okay.
I forgot.
Whatever, that's okay.
We have some.
That's all right.
But yeah, and again, you can use your own, but sometimes you don't have to, and then you can add it. You can try it and then add it when you're gonna serve it. So then you can kind of adjust accordingly, especially if there's you know, different people in your house that are watching.
For sure.
My mom watches her blood sugar, so sometimes I won't put it in for that reason, so that we can add the sweetener after, and then she can adjust accordingly.
There you go. So. Nothing like putting a little brown sugar on top when you're all done, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
So this would cook, if you were short on time, 3 to 4 minutes on high, or 7 to 8.
3 to 4 minutes. 3 to 4 hours.
3 to 4 hours.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Not minutes. Not minutes. Hours.
Okay.
That would be really
I was like, wow. I'm like,
that is
I need your slow cooker because mine doesn't do that.
Or 7 to 8 on low. That's when you can sleep and then wake up to a hot breakfast.
All right, awesome. And then, you know, we have this all done up. You made it beautiful, our little snowman. He's so cute.
Yeah, you know, you can add a few top. I added some dark chocolate chips, some peanut butter chips, some pomegranate, and then put a little snowman on there. Kids love that.
Love that. I mean, make it fun, have a good time. And I love the idea of waking up and having breakfast ready. Couldn't be easier.
Yes.
All right, so we will put that recipe on our website, this specific one, but of course you take it, make it your own.
Yeah.
All right, thanks so much, Grace.